day, new adventure. Sunday morning with me is kind of slow version of my Sunday morning, but who freaking cares? Let's do it. If you're into doing some hard things, try to don't use headphones while you are in nature. Red caps are back. Now it's time for homework because I'm back to the school because my English is second language and who freaking cares? Let's get it. Doing my homework already for 1 hour and a half, but who freaking cares? I got it. And my major is business and I love it actually. Meeting new version of myself through this process.